welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to use an online platform. It's Google Classroom. But before I start the video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's start the video. For online platform like Google Classroom, you need to go to your Google Apps and then go to Google Classroom. Google Classroom is here. Type in Google Classroom. Actually, this is for the teachers. If you want to create a Google Classroom, you need to go to your email and go to Google Classroom. And if you want to create a class, click the plus sign, create or join class. If you want to create or join class, for teachers, they create. So let's create. And then if you read these instructions and then click the tick and continue and write a name. For example, this is maths section. This is maths. And you just don't need to copy me. You can just create your own and then click create. And then what's in classroom, got it, click that. And you want your students, if you want to add your students, you just need to go to people and then add your student's email. I don't have any student's email. And if you want to put a classwork, you need to go to if you want to do a assignment for your students, go to classwork and then click create assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse, pause and topic. For now, let's go for assignment and then press got it. And then it's like, for example, this is our maths quiz. The instructions is optional. If you want, then you can put it. For now, we will not put it. And you can attach from here, and you can add, and you can put grades. If you want to put 100, then we can. And then you need to put a due date. If you don't want to put a due date, you need to put a date, for example, at 16th of May. And then time is, let's put 4 p.m. And then our topic is maths. Oh, sorry. Maths. And then a rubric. You can just show the example for students in the creed or add. Now we need to put as a schedule or a sign. Let's put as a schedule. Let's put it in 4 or 2 p.m. For now, we don't need schedule. Let's just go to assign. And then the assignment is created. And here you go. This is our assignment. And the students, how they submit, is in our next video. If you want for the students, please like, share and subscribe. So we will put for the students in part 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Please like, share, subscribe.